Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 to see which device is going to be better in terms of performance, daily usage, as well as in terms of the benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future upload. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on both of these devices. We have already performed all of them and we will just have a quick look on the test score result. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So you can see that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2.663040 million points and iPhone 16 scored 1.681059 million points. So as you can see, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, as it is scoring nearly 55% more points compared to what we are getting on iPhone 16. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of them, performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better, especially when it comes to the GPU performance. It is the biggest contributor in the overall score of the device, and that's why the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra when we are comparing it with iPhone 16. Now if you go to the Geekbench 6, this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So here you can see that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 3071 in single core, 9898 in multi-core, while iPhone 16 scored 3484 in single core and 8672 in multi-core. So in single core, the winner is iPhone 16, and in multi-core, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now if you go to the GPU test, in this time, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 19,630 and iPhone 16 scored 28,121. So in this, the winner is iPhone 16. So considering that in out of three, in two of them, the winner is iPhone 16, we can say in Geekbench 6, the winner is iPhone 16. And now if we go to the 3D Mark, this is a gaming benchmarking test. So it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. We got multiple tests there. So if you go to the Still Nomad Lite, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2509 with 18.59 average FPS, and the iPhone 16 scored 1892 with 14 FPS on average. So as you can see, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in Still Nomad Lite. If you go to the Solar Bay, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 12,422 with 47.23 average FPS, and iPhone 16 scored 7,754 with 29.5 average FPS. So once again, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If we go to Wildlife Extreme, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 6,907 with 41.36 average FPS, and iPhone 16 scored 4,108 with 24.6 FPS. So in Wildlife Extreme as well, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So in 3D Mark as well, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And considering the fact that out of these three tests, AnTuTu Benchmark, Geekbench 6 and 3D Mark, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can consider that the performance of the device is going to be better compared to iPhone 16, especially when it comes to the GPU performance, as in both AnTuTu Benchmark and 3D Mark, performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better when it comes to the GPU performance. Another point you have to consider is that even if in some scenarios like in Geekbench 6 GPU test, performance of iPhone 16 is better, it comes with only 60 FPS display, so it does not matter how good is the performance of the device is going to be. The maximum FPS you will get while playing high-end games is just 60. But iPhone 16 is very powerful device as well for daily usage, gaming and all other kinds of smartphone activities. But as you can see, when it comes to benchmarking test score results, performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better, and that's why the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in our test here. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.